The undisputed king of speed, the cheetah can reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour or 120 kilometers per hour in short bursts. This North American antelope can sustain speeds of over 55 miles per hour or 88 kilometers per hour for several miles, making it one of the fastest land animals on Earth. This impressive fish can swim at speeds of up to 68 miles per hour or 109 kilometers per hour, using its specialized sail-like dorsal fin for propulsion. These African antelopes are known for their powerful migrations and can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour. This European hare is the fastest mammal in Europe, capable of reaching speeds of up to 45 miles per hour or 72 kilometers per hour. These dogs are bred for speed and can reach speeds of up to 43 miles per hour or 69 kilometers per hour in short distances. This North American canine can reach speeds of up to 43 miles per hour in pursuit of prey. These highly social hunters can reach speeds of up to 42 miles per hour in packs. These adaptable canids can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour and are known for their scavenging and hunting abilities. These large deer can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour and are known for their impressive antlers.